Okay, folks, I don't know if you can hear me over this noise or not, but we'll try. Something somebody told me I could do it. This has been working the past 3 days that I've done this, so I'll let you all see a first run at it. Let's see what happens. My glow plugs are bad, or one of them is bad. Something's bad on this tractor, so somebody told me to do a hair dryer and put it to the intake, and it'll crank. We'll see. There it goes. Okay, and we shall see. See what happens here. She don't like it yet. Give that hot air time to get up in there. Cold this morning, boy. We don't like it, but we're gonna let it run. Keep running. We're doing totally live, no editing at all. I ran the tractor up to about 8 o'clock last night. We might have to edit it just a second. Pause it. Well, I'm talking about, baby. Hot dog. Well, I'm talking about. Oh, I love that trick. It works, y'all. It works. You hear it running. It works. Do the hair dryer one-handedly. I can't do it one hand, I just can't. It's gonna shock me. Maybe I can. Okay. So there you have it. Revlon did the trick. Yes, sir. She's running. Sweet.